Hello, Backyard Farmer here. Told y'all I was going to work on working on my stackable planters today. Um, it's not tied down yet, but I just got it, trying to test out how I'm place everything. So I cut out the holes and I cut out that big hole in the middle so it can go between the pole here. And when I had demonstrated how to stack them, I realized once I put the soil in, all the soil is going to go down that big hole. I cut too big of a hole. So I came up with the idea that I'm going to go through each pot and I'm going to put a piece of cardboard between it so the soil won't just be sitting, won't go through and fall through once they stacked up and just keep falling down. I'm going to put a piece of cardboard to stop it, and then over time it'll break down into the soil. Yeah, so that's kind of the dilemma. I'm gonna try out this idea, see how it look, and y'all just stay tuned and I'll let you know how the finished project. All right, so I put a piece of cardboard to cover up to block the soil from running through. This is how we looking now. All right, so let me plan out what I'm gonna plant in each pot. All right, so this is what I'm planting. I figure I'll start at the bottom with some marigolds instead of the flowers. Then I come up with some parsley, and I'm gonna leave the second one right there empty for now. I'll plant in there probably in about 3 weeks. I ain't gonna plant everything. So I know it's 3 tiers, so I figure I'll fill it up with soil every 3 weeks so I can be able to harvest throughout the year. I ain't gonna plant it all today. So I got the marigolds, the parsley, the thyme, the zinnias, the basil, oregano, and at the top I'm had the rosemary. Since that grows tall, yeah. So that's my vision right now. And just if you guys have this is an old pole from a closet, one of those closets I got from Family Dollar. That's the poles I used that when I got rid of the closet. I said I can use this poles as a trellis in the garden. So I've been using that ever since I started gardening. And I saved those poles and they work wonders. So I'm definitely going to use it. You're going to see it throughout the pots. I'm going to use it for my green beans, to hold up the green beans. Even though I got, here they go. And I even got tomato cages, but those poles definitely work. So, all right, let me start putting some soil in these pots and putting the seeds in, and I will keep you guys updated. Okay, so I put the seeds in the pot. As you can see, I didn't do all 3 sides, and then I left one empty because I'll continue to plant throughout the year so I can continue to harvest throughout the year. So I probably do it like every 3 weeks, put a new one in. They're calling for rain out Friday and Saturday. Today Thursday. But I think I'll be good. I didn't do anything with that one yet because I got to go and get some strawberries. So I thought I was going to have enough seeds that came with this little strawberry starter kit, but no. So I need to go back to the store and get some strawberries because I'm definitely growing some strawberries this year. Get away, bee. But yes, so that's what I've done today. Backyard Farmer, please like, subscribe so you can follow along this journey with me. I'm about to clean up the yard a little bit, get it prepared for me for tomorrow because I won't be out here tomorrow, but I definitely will make some progress Saturday. So all right, y'all, thank you. Any questions, comments, please please leave a comment. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you. Backyard Farmer here.